Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to cover the last step: sell, ship, and support. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started. So the last step of the 6 steps when it comes to the IoT channel is to sell, ship, and support your product. And although it may seem simple, it's obviously a very important one. You've built your appliance, you've purchased the license, you've put the stickers on the devices, and you're now selling and shipping your systems. But one of the important things that's part of the agreement that you signed is to support the device. What does that mean? It basically means that if your customer has a problem with their device, or with your device, I should say, they are not allowed to call Microsoft. And they are actually required to call you as the OEM. But what happens if they call you with a problem that you don't know how to fix? What then? Basically, it's your responsibility to figure it out and solve it. So it's important to know that as a distributor like Arrow, we have a very experienced support team that can help you. So if you get into a situation and you need tech support, you're having a problem with your device, seems to be something with the Windows, get with us. We're here to support you. We have different levels of support. So the first level is me. Email me, call me, and let's discuss the problem. Let's figure out what the problem is. I would call myself level 1. I do have years of experience, might be able to help you out. Certainly can help you out if it has to do with key codes and activation or product activation, those kind of things. But if it happens to be a little more technical, deeper into the OS, the drivers, or something, the behavior of the device, performance, it could be an issue with an update's not installing or something's causing a problem. Get with me still, we'll go through it. And then we have an engineering team, and I can get with my engineering team, and that's what we call level 2. So I will get my engineer involved with you, and we'll work through it, and he, in many cases, can solve the problem. But if he's not able to help, there is a level 3. And level 3 is we actually have a support agreement with Microsoft, and we can actually open up a support ticket on your behalf and basically have a Microsoft engineer contact you directly and work through that problem to support you. So with Arrow, you're going to get 3 levels of support. You get me, 35 years of experience. You get my engineering team at a level 2 for a deeper technical dive. And then you get Microsoft engineer through a support agreement, which costs money, but we have your back and we will support you. So you buy the licenses from Arrow, you get access to 3 levels of support, including a paid support option where we can help you resolve those problems. And that's it. And from there, you've made it through the 6 steps that I'm showing here on the screen. We just want to make sure you're aware. Step number 6, sell, support, sell, ship, and support. And we have your back to cover you for that. So again, thank you guys for watching.